Keywords of the day. Beat the eggs. 把鸡蛋打散 Heat the wok. 把锅烧热 The cooking oil. 油 Let's add some oil. 放点儿油 Spices. 调味料 Sugar. 糖 Salt. 盐 All in today's Chinese studio.
The veggies are all prepared, except for the 鸡蛋, the eggs. I want to whisk them, beat them up. How do I say that, Yachi?
Well, it sounds very violent, I must say, but all for a good cause. Try this, Brendan. 把鸡蛋打散.
把鸡蛋打散.
把, as we mentioned, is often put before the object.
把
鸡蛋, eggs.
鸡蛋
打散 means to whisk.
打散
把鸡蛋打散.
把鸡蛋打散 Beat the eggs.
准备2个鸡蛋，
好的，
然后把鸡蛋打散。
Okay, cut up veggies and beaten eggs reporting for duty. Now what? Oh, how about we heat the wok?
Well, you sound very professional. 把锅烧热.
Indeed I do. 把锅烧热.
锅 is wok.
锅
烧 means to heat.
烧
And 热 means hot.
热.
把锅烧热.
把锅烧热. Heat the wok.
可以下锅了吗？
稍等一下，先得把锅烧热。
Ready for action. Where's the cooking oil?
You mean 油?
对，油 the cooking oil. Let's add some oil.
好的，放点儿油。
放点儿油。
放 means add.
放
点儿 means a little bit.
点儿
油 the cooking oil.
油。
放点儿油。
放点儿油。Add some oil.
需要帮忙吗？
好啊，往锅里放点油。
What spices will we use?
Spices, that's what we call 调味料。
调味料。
调味 literally means change flavor.
调味
料 means ingredient.
料。
调味料。
调味料。Spices. How about we use sugar and salt for starters?
We can't go too far wrong there. Here you are, Brendan. 糖 sugar.
糖
And 盐 salt.
盐。
需要放什么调味料？
糖和盐。
Doesn't it smell good in here, Yachi?
Yeah, it does. But that hardly qualifies as our question of the day. Try this instead. Remind us how to say beat the eggs in Chinese.